Wow. Now we are talking. Folks, you are watching EZRA ONDARA TV. My name is EZRA ONDARA. I was at this exact place about about a month ago. I was at this exact place, okay? I am in Kiamunyi, by the way, okay? And I was at this house here, okay? 3-bedroom bungalow, flat roof bungalow, very unique design. Na hiyo wakati they are not finished, okay? So I did a video of it. I did a house tour then, and I thought, you know what, let me come here today and show you the final product, because by then there are some things which had not been completed. Na leo nimesema, let me go back to the ground, I show you the final product, okay? Now, the first thing I've noticed, something new here, is this changarawe here, okay? You see this sand here, the that they have done here. When I was here back then a month ago, it was just earth, okay? It was just, you know, the farm soil, okay? But now they have added this changarawe here, at least kuskwe na matope, sindio? Now let's go inside. So as you climb into this onto this house, all right, so there's a patio here, a raised patio, okay? Now they had not done the paint work then, and I love the paint work here. The person who was given this job to do the paint work, they did a tremendous job. I don't know which color is this. It's not white, because on the ceiling here it is white, but this one is not white. So okay, you guys can help me, okay? But it pops, okay? So the thing I like about it is that it pops. Wow, the sitting room now looks marvelous, okay? Now we are talking. The sitting room now looks marvelous. The house in general now looks good. I love it. Now, the person who did the paint work here, you know, those houses ambazo unaingia unapata imepakwa orange, unashangaa, why did you do orange? You know, so the paint work here, neutral. Okay? I mean, there is no person on this planet who will not like this paint work. I mean, now if you want to do your orange and pink and yellow and whatever, I mean, after buying or talking about buying, unfortunately, this unit has been taken. Even the owner of this unit is doing me a favor to be here. Actually, this unit has been taken, but I'll show you where they can do, you know, a unit for you if you're interested in this project. So this is an upcoming gated community in Kiamunyi, all right? And you know, we are just 300 meters off the Nakuru Kabrak road, off the tarmac, 300 meters only. And we have two roads. So road 1 is 300 meters, road 2 is like 150 meters. To touch the tarmac, to drop to the tarmac road, can you imagine where we are? Really great location. Wow. I love it. The person who did the paint work here, I mean, they got it right. So I like this. Now, on this lounge, when I was here, first time I came here, I felt like maybe the lounge wamefanya kadogo. But you know what? Unless you are an old-fashioned kind of guy, you know the way our parents used to do their homes. Sitting room is just so fast. Every corner, I mean the entire of the sitting room ilikuwa tu ni viti. Okay, you find mtu akona couch kama 3 ameweka kwa lounge. But here, surely these days, do you want your sitting room to be flooded with sofas? You know, you want a cozy place, and this lounge here offers exactly that. And actually, to compensate on the, you know, on the minimalist approach of this lounge, they have offered a dining area on this side. All right, we have this dining area here, and this one now is huge. Okay, this is a huge dining area, where if you even want to do an 8-seater dining table, hapa hivi inatoshea vizuri. This is huge. This is a huge dining area. But for me, a 6-seater dining table will be perfect. Okay, so that at least, you know, we have to leave room. You know, when you are pulling in your chair and you are pulling out, you know, from the table, you have to leave room, you know, to kupita, you know, to go around. And of course, there is a sink here. You know, you have to wash your hands before you dine, that is. Now, the kitchen is where they went big. The kitchen now, it is huge, okay? This kitchen is truly large. I mean, just look at the amount of cabinetry kule chini kote hivi, the amount of storage above hapa hivi, countertop space, okay, a lot of countertop space hapa hivi ya kupika chapati etc. There is a lot to love in this kitchen, and there is even more room here. Okay, there is more room here. I mean, here you can stand your what? You can put your refrigerator here, even two of them if you want to. If you have two refrigerators, I mean, all this space, you know, is for other additional items that you may have. But the storage in the kitchen, I loved it. I love the tiles here, okay, white, and then with this, I mean, they put this to flowery stuff, this tile with some some decoration on it, just to create a contrast there, to break the monotony of white. But white, it's good. Now, what else? The granite top, of course, it's good quality, and the height is good, the working height is good. So kutoka hapo, we had this backyard here, it is still there, and now they have done some paint work up. I don't know whether this is paint. What kind of finish is this? Okay, there's some finish here that they have done, you know, on this veranda. Okay, so dropping from the kitchen to the backyard. Now, I told you here it was just earth. Okay, here hapa ilikuwa tu ni farm soil. Okay, ndo ilikuwa hapa, but now this changarawe here. By the way, these guys are not going to do cabros. Okay, they are not cabros. So they told me they have left it like that, so that for those, you know, people have different preferences. People have various preferences, and you may come here, you feel, I want my entire backyard to be, you know, a green garden, and the front yard I will do cabros. Somebody else may think, I want half of the front yard to have cabros and a garden there. I can put my gazebo there. The backyard can be something else. So they've left it like that, so that you, when you come now, you can do your madoido as you wish. And that is why, again, this house falls in the affordable range. You know, at 5.7 million, it is just falling there in the affordable range. I mean, I found that anything that starts at 4.5, okay, a bungalow 3-bedroom to around 6 million, people consider it affordable. So that's why this one falls in that range. So it is a 3-bedroom, okay, bungalow. Bungalow. Master ensuite, okay. So these are the 2 bedrooms, okay. We have 2 bedrooms here, one on my right, one on my left. They share these bathroom and toilet facilities. I mean, okay, I covered most of it, okay, when I was here last. So majorly it was the paint work which had not been done. They have fixed a mirror now in there. You know, just some small additions that were, you know, that were remaining for the house to be fully complete. What else? So I'm inside one of the guest bedroom. How many tiles do I see here? These are 1 feet tile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So imagine a 6x6 bed will fit in here, and it will reach where I'm standing here. So ideally from here, you see, like, you see the width here, like you have room to pull something from the wardrobe and to keep something in the wardrobe. Okay, so a 6x6 bed will fit in here actually. Okay, that is if you want all your bedrooms to have 6x6 beds. So meaning a lesser bed, now you have even more room to play. Okay, so what else do we have here? The lights, of course, some wall lamp there. They have used some overhead lights there. It's not a down light. What type of light is that? My videographer, make sure to show them so that somebody may comment. What type of light is that one? Come, let's see the other bedroom. Let's see the other bedroom. Yeah, so I'm inside the other bedroom. Similar size, you know, same size as the one we just left. The guest bedrooms are the same size, okay? And I've told you both of them can occupy a large bed up to a 6x6. If it has those wings on the side, a 6x6 bed, then you may really, okay, you're going to remain with limited space for moving around. Now, they have plenty. All the rooms here have got plenty of natural light. Thanks to the architect here, he placed the windows strategically where they should be, you know, where there is sunlight. Okay, so there is a lot of natural light inside the rooms. Okay, and of course the wall lamp there is another nice addition. That light, still tell me what kind of light is that one, because it's not a down light. All right, now, so I was this side, right? So the master bedroom is on the opposite side of the lounge, and the dining area, and the guest bedroom ziko kule, so the master bedroom is on the opposite side of the rest of the rooms, okay, which is good. You know, you master bedroom, especially if you're a family, you need to be there, you know, in your private, in your private place, eh? So yeah, I'm inside the master bedroom. Now, this one now, in terms of space, this is huge, okay? Whether you have a king size bed, queen size, king size, just bring it, okay? And you will even be left with some room again, you know, for a small desk, you know, for a small working desk from home. Alafu from there, what do we have here? Now, the wardrobes, I feel, okay, it is just sufficient. It is not, you know, it's not the largest of, you know, closet, but it's just sufficient space for two people. Just sufficient, I've said, okay? Now, I love this huge dressing mirror hapa, all right? And this side, we have the toilet, and, okay, this room gives us what? The toilet and the bathroom facility. They are sharing, okay? So, very nice. Come in. All right, so where my videographer is standing is where we have the toilet seat. Where I'm standing is where we have the shower, and I like that. You know, I like the idea that when you're showering here, when you're taking a shower, water, you know, will not be spilling to that side of the toilet. You know, you could be taking a shower and then next somebody wants to come and use the toilet. So this is a good, you know, design, you know, at least maji doesn't spill over to that side, okay? Of course, here again, there's a sink and another mirror here. All right. Very well. The toilet, I told you, is on that side. Yeah, so that's it. You know, I just came to see how did they finish. And so far, I love it. The person who did the paint work, they did a tremendous job. I love the way they finished, okay? Any other addition you may have, what more do you think would have been added to this crib? And if you have anything you think can be added, and if you're interested, let us know, so that when they do the next one, when they do the next two houses, two more bungalows, flat roof bungalows, unique, very unique design, they are coming, not flat roof, hidden roof. So there's a roof, but it is hidden. So two more hidden roof bungalows like this are going to come on that other side. Let's just go there. Nikuonyeshe. So if you're interested, this one has been taken, unfortunately, by the way, but okay, maybe better, maybe fortunate for you, because now if they start yours, you can tell them, you know what, I don't want these tiles. Can you put for me this kind of tiles? Can you put for me this kind of lighting? Can you put for me this kind of, you know, MDF for my wardrobes, for my cabinetry? I mean, it's a plus if you're interested, because now you can be able to dictate how you want your inside to be completed. Tunaelewana jameni, but this one has been taken, and I'm happy. You know, I'm always happy that ile kazi nimefanya imezaa matunda. Okay, it has bared fruit, so I'm really happy, you know, for the occupant ambaye anakuja kukaa hapa. It is not the biggest of homes, you know, and remember what I told you pale kwa lounge. People want to live cozy these days, okay? Cozy. It is not the biggest of homes, but for a 3-bedroom home, it is enough, okay? Especially for someone who has a young family and they are looking, you know, to buy a home. This is one I highly recommend, okay? For a young family, you know, when they grow up, watakuacha, wataenda hata wajenge zao, ama wanunue zao. But, you know, for a young family, this is enough, okay? Even the parking space umeona pale, you can fit 2 cars there. Yeah, you can fit 3. That is now the entire of it. If you take the entire of the front yard, you can fit 3 cars. But I am assuming you can park 1 car, and you have a garden there, a gazebo maybe. You will decide how you will panga your home, okay? So now this entire place here, so hapa katikati we have a driveway. Unaona mahali ukuta imefika, okay? Where that wall reaches there, we have a driveway here. Okay, so that when you're coming in from the main gate, you know, you guys come in and then everybody goes into their own home. Okay, so now they are coming to do 2 more projects here. Okay, these are 2 plots, so they're setting up 2 more homes here, and this is the time to start engaging me. Okay, surely, kama unataka tu your house ikue customized to your taste, start talking now. Tafadhali, just start talking now. So this entire place is going to be a gated community. So this is an upcoming gated community with bungalows on this side, hidden roof bungalows, and more bungalows on that side. Okay, pale we have some apartments there, your neighbors. We have another home there, a bungalow. We have other bungalows pale across, 3 of them. We have another bungalow there. We have homes there. We have an apartment there. So really, even where you are, I mean, there are people around you, okay? And did I tell you, from here to the main road, using, okay, there are 2 roads that can come here. So one of them that can come here from the tarmac road, So one of them is 150 meters to touch the tarmac, another one is 300 meters to touch the tarmac. Surely. Hapo pia mtasema ati ni mbali. Sasa no, surely. Anyway, you start engaging me. I've seen the project, vile walimaliza, it looks beautiful. The paint ambayo they chose, it really looks, it's neutral but attractive. You get, I mean, they try to strike that balance, neutral but attractive. You know, it's not shouting.